Claude AI models are very expensive. If you have clicked on this video is not a clickbait, and I'm going to show you an example of it live running. And in this video, we are going to set Claude Code up for completely free, and not with any kind of basic models, but with one of the best open source models that you can have. It's not going to be local, it's going to be an API from a free AI tool. Okay, so without any further ado, let's start the video. Alright, but why should you get an open source model to run Claude Code? I mean, the main reason everyone knows is that Claude's API pricing is very expensive. Claude's subscriptions are very expensive. So if there are students or people who cannot invest that much money, can use this open source free models and try it for themselves. Let's keep that aside and let's run Claude Code for completely free for $0. Okay, so the AI model that we are using is called Kimi K2.6. It's one of the best open source models out there. You can even look it up on Google. If you search, it shows that Kimi K2.6 outperforms Claude Opus on major coding and complex agentic benchmarks, as you can see here. Okay, so let's get straight to it. For the API key, we are using OpenRouter. OpenRouter is a website where you get over 300 plus models, paid and free. Before getting the OpenRouter's key, let's go and install Claude Code. Install Claude Code, you only need one command, and to run that command, you need to open your PowerShell. So I'll just go on my Windows and search for PowerShell. After opening my PowerShell, I will just paste this link, and then after hitting enter, it will start downloading your Claude Code, and it would probably take 2 to 3 minutes and it would be installed. You need to do one more step, which is you need to go into the following file location. First, you need to open your Files app, then go to this PC, then go to your local disk C, then go to users, and after going to users, go to admin, and then admin go to .local folder. After going to .local, go to bin, and here it is, claude.exe, as you can see. After you find this file location, just copy this. After copying the location, you need to open edit environment variables, and then go to system variables, which is this one. Don't go here on admin, just go to system variables, and then search for path environment variable, and then click on edit, and then after that you just need to paste here. Okay, after pasting your location here, just click OK, and you can check if it is installed or not by entering this command claude -version. As you can see, Claude Code is installed on my setup, which is 2.1.170. Okay, so now that we have installed Claude Code, the next thing is to get an OpenRouter key. After going to the website of OpenRouter, you will meet with an interface like this. So now let's click on Get API Key. As I said, this would be completely free. These are the few API keys that I have created earlier, but for the sake of this example, I will create a new API key, and I will name it, and I will just hit create. After you create that API key, it would give you an API key. You'll have to copy this API key. Make sure that you copy this API key and store it somewhere safe, because I guess after you hit enter, you cannot copy it again. So this is my API key. Please remember that API keys are very secret and very important, and you should not share your API key to anyone. After this video, I'm going to delete this API key. So please make sure that you don't share your API key with anyone. Now, before proceeding ahead, I will suggest you to download VS Code. It is a better environment to run all the coding stuff, and even it's good for Claude itself. To download it, just click on downloads, then it will start automatically downloading here. Once you have installed VS Code, you will have to install 2 more things. One is git bash. Just hit git bash and go to install for Windows and click to download here, and it will start downloading. One more thing you will have to download is Node.js. Trust me, it would help you later on. So just go here and click install for Windows, and it will again start installing, and then just install it like any other app. Once you download VS Code, just launch VS Code, and we are going to create a new folder, and select this folder, and this would be open in the folder. Click on yes, I trust the authors. So just click on here, so it opens this bar where you can see there are problems, output, debug console, and then terminal. Inside the terminal, you only have to paste one single command, and it would automatically be installed. So this command would also be linked in the description, so you don't have to worry about that. But before running this command, let's install Claude on your VS Code as well. Just go on to this extensions and search for Claude. After searching for Claude, you will see this, which is the official extension from Anthropic itself. Anthropic is the parent company of Claude. After visiting this, just click here on download and it will start downloading, and it will take about 5 to 6 seconds to download depending on your internet connection. Now let's run the one single command, and this single command will set up Claude for us. So one thing you will have to do is go here where it says Anthropic key, and you will have to paste your Anthropic key here. So I will just go here using my arrow buttons, and I will just delete this string, and I will paste my OpenRouter's key. Once I have pasted everything, I will go back and hit enter. Once you click enter, it would open this page and you just have to click enter. Anthropic, do you want to use this? Yes, you will. It is asking if you want to use this API key, the API key that we just generated, and you have to hit yes, because if you want to use the model for free, then hit yes. And there you go, Moonshot Kimi K2.6 free is now available to use. And if I do a testing, let's see if it's working. It says retrying, but let's wait because it's the first run. As you can see, it has answered our query, which was, hello, I'm Claude Code, Anthropic CLI for Claude. I'm ready to help you with software engineering task. How can I assist you today? As you can see, it has give us a response in 47 seconds, but it is only because we have launched the AI model for the first time. Now let's try it again and let's see the response time. As you can see, it has just replied in 7 seconds and it's saying I'm doing well, etc, etc. By the way, if you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please do subscribe, because we are going to create more tutorials like this, which are easy to process and very valuable for your use. If you want to stay updated, make sure that you subscribe. So remember guys, if you want to use any other AI models, just go on to OpenRouter's free AI models website and then just select whatever model you want. As you see, Moonshot, that this is the one that we used, which was Kimi K2.6, but you can use 𝘉𝘍𝘍𝘐𝘓𝑃. It is a very good model. I've used it in Hermes AI agent and it performs very well. So just go on here, go on this AI model, copy the name of this model. Remember, it is very important to copy the name of the model correctly, and then just go on to this code that I have already sent you and replace the AI model for the AI model that you want to use, which in my case is 𝘉𝘍𝘍𝘍𝘍 free model. And just copy this, go onto your VS Code and just hit enter after pasting with the API key and the new name, and it should start. And to check it, let's see. Hi. As you can see, it only thought for 1 second and here is the reply. That means it is working pretty well. Let's run a command and let's see if it's working properly. I will ask it to build me a calculator. Okay, so it has responded. Now let's check if it is looking good. I will copy this and go and paste it on my browser, and there you go. We have a working calculator. I'm not sure. Wait. Yeah, it's a working calculator. This is how you can use Claude Code for completely free. Let me know if this video worked for you, and all of the questions that you want to ask, I will answer all of them. Please do not forget to subscribe if you want more such content, and I will see you guys in the next video. Make sure to watch this video next, because in this video, I've explained 5 AI tools that will make you money. I will meet you guys in the next video.